Hello, everyone! This is Deborah Motion Design. I'd like to share with you a procedural lighting animation. Dynamic simulation of splines, finally using Arnold and Octane shading and motion blur rendering. This is not an instructional video from scratch. I'm just sharing my production ideas. First, clone the lines on the left and right sides for dynamic simulation. Adjust the contour shape before entering the solution. Turn off the wind and see the approximate movement effect. The carrier of motion uses a field driver to affect the direction and frequency of motion of the XY axis. Rope tag sets pin effect values, mixes simulation effect with clone shape. You can set the number of clone splines at will. But be sure to refresh the search radius of the connector. Finally, the dynamic parameters of the main spline are adjusted. You can try adding wind to affect the shape of the spline. I finally tried to renderers, Arnold and Octane, for rendering. My review is that Arnold's motion blur effect and speed are much better than Octane's. Octane rendering motion blur will be unstable, similar to motion blur failure halfway through. Choose the renderer according to your situation. I still like the stability of Arnold. If you are interested in my files, you can join my Patreon to get them. If you want to learn more about advanced applications of C4D, please consider joining Patreon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.